Been out here working on this little scooter for a little while again this evening, and just about got this thing dialed in. We've been out riding it around a little bit, and it's pretty close. I've still got one little spot on the main top end when it's under load that I've got to get figured out. I've got a little bit of a bog, but overall, man, it's doing much better than it ever did before. But the problem that I had yesterday getting it dialed in, it turns out that it's the exhaust. The exhaust, this is an Iowa, one of the restricted ones, and this exhaust was teeny tiny. So I built a new head pipe for it today. It's a little bigger than an inch. I added another exit on the exhaust. I've got pictures of that I'll post after the video. And I'd already gutted the pipe. But after that, I built the head pipe and I added the extra exit, like the carburetor, it got a lot easier to tune. So it's going to have a performance exhaust to be able to use this carburetor, but that's fine. I mean, like I said, it pulls the driveway now, and with me and my son both, he's around 100 pounds, it's getting around 33 miles an hour, which now that's downhill with both of us on it. But again, it's doing much better. Well satisfied. So anyhow, I'll post some video clips. I took a video of him launching it. He's 10, so that's cool. But anyway, I'll post some pictures and some video clips at the end there. See y'all.